How to make your page recommendable on Facebook. First of all, you have to be posting always, so that one day the Facebook algorithm will understand that the page is active, so your page will be recommendable. Then two, turn on review on your page so that people can review your page. If they review your page positively, it will help in your recommendations. Then three, always comment in people's posts as well, so that you'll be visible everywhere. Post always. Then those features that at times the Facebook will be telling you that do this, all those challenges weekly, always do them at times, so that your page will be recommendable. Don't just sit down and watch. Maybe you post today, maybe you wait 1 month again, your page will just be there. So for your page to be recommendable, it should be active, especially your profile. Set up your phone number and all that. Don't just leave it blank, like description of page, your phone number and all that. Put everything in place, make it look professional, so that your page will be recommendable.